Hey Heartbreakers, Elisa here with HEARTCORE at Home. Today's class is a strength endurance class. So you're gonna be needing the black cables attached to your back platform. We're gonna be doing express lunge, split squats. So this is a class that's absolutely gonna push you. And I wanna let you know too, if you wanna wear a pair of sneakers, that might be a good idea so that you feel more stability when you're lunging off the back platform. So make sure as well that in this class, you never stop breathing. The breathing is key to keep a pressurized core so that you're able to power your limbs. So Heartbreaker, let's get started. So make sure that you are starting off with one white spring. And if you want a really big challenge, one black spring. So we're gonna start off doing reverse catfish. So let's pull that carriage in. Pull the carriage in, I'm gonna adjust my strap right here. All right, you're gonna bend your knees, high heels, squeeze the high bars, press away, activate your palms. Start to slowly fight that negative tension. Extend your legs out, big inhale. Exhale, drive your knees right back in. So hips and shoulders are aligned with each other. Feeling your lats, your triceps, your rotator cuffs. Activating, you're feeling your lower abs pulling the carriage in. Warming up the core. Relaxing your face, relaxing your upper traps. So you're resisting that negative tension out, and you're feeling all your core muscles pulling the negative tension in. Upper body super stable. 30 more seconds left, Heartbreaker. Last 10 seconds. Okay, so next, keep your hands on the high bars. I want your left foot to point diagonally towards the edge of your carriage, right foot cross behind it. We're gonna do a French twist. So you're gonna drop your left hip towards the floor, dropping it, heels rising, stopping, then you drive your heels back in, keeping your left oblique nice and long. So you're still pressing away with your palms, feeling your upper body muscles working big time to support you in this exercise. We're warming up our obliques up for the express lunge series we have coming up shortly. Really feel your left oblique fighting that negative tension that creates that hypertrophy in your body, that muscle fiber tearing. All right, Heartbreaker, next up, we're gonna take it to the same move, but just a lower angle. So we're gonna do a teaser to pike. So your left foot's still crossed over the right, and you're just picking up your hips like this. Modifications, that kneeling side crunch. I'm gonna show that in a second. Upper body super stable here. So kneeling to crunch, modification is dropping your forearms, rounding your spine, and resisting the tension. So this is the modification, that kneeling side crunch. All right, so now let's get into a giant reverse wheelbarrow. So bring your hands gripping the sides of your back platform, kneeling push-up position, squeeze the booty, big inhale to the nose. Exhale, pulling yourself in, squeezing your belly button to spine, resisting for 4, 3, 2, 1. Using your lats for your shoulders, your lower abs, upper abs to pull yourself in. Activate your palms, squeeze that back platform. Relax your upper traps, relax your face. Pull your ribs up to your kidneys. You want to make sure you're not dumping here, right? So you want to make sure you're squeezing your butt, feeling everything in that abdominal wall activating. When you squeeze your butt, your lower abs activate that way, all right? If you want to make it more challenging, you can always bring your hands at the very front part of your back platform too. The bigger the range of motion, the more muscle fibers activate. Last 20 seconds. Prepping our core for all the lunges we have coming up. Next up, I want you to change your spring to one black spring to work in the express lunge. So one black spring. And if one black is too much, you can always go back to one white. All right, so left leg on deck, left foot forward, right toe back in the strap, express lunge. So you're bending your left knee, extending your right leg out, pausing at 90, your left heel smashes through the platform, you drive your hips forward, and you come to the top right here. So your torso and your back leg are aligned with each other the entire time. Feel your left calf, your left hamstring, your left booty resisting that negative tension. And feel your deep abs pulling the carriage in your right leg back in. Squeeze both booty cheeks at the top. Keep your lats engaged. And again, you want to be feeling pure tension behind your left calf, left hamstring, left glute the entire time. So you're resisting down. And driving through your hips, pulling through your core muscles, coming right back up. Last 25 seconds of this express lunge. Okay, so next up, we're gonna do split squats. So make sure your left leg's a 90-degree angle, right leg's 90-degree angle, and you're gonna be really holding your cables, coming down, and then driving your left heel back up. Carriage is stable. So inhale down, exhale, coming back up. This is an exercise that opens up your hips. It's your split squat, so left leg 90, right leg 90, you bring it down, drive your hips forward, coming right back up. If it's too much for your hips, you can always hinge your torso forward, drive the hips back up. Again, you're feeling pure tension behind your left leg the entire time. Squeezing your lats. Making sure that you're squeezing your abs every time you exhale. If you have tight hips, this is an exercise that is healing your hips as well.